Welcome back to the workshop. Pleasure to have you guys back here today. We're going to be building a birdhouse today with some leftover wood. I got a license plate that we're going to be using for the roof, some plywood right here, and a 1x6. Now, this is going to be a very simple design, and I've already cut out the pattern, so all I have to do is trace through it. We're going to be starting off with this license plate, and it's really dirty and grungy and stuff, so what we got to do is scrape off all the stickers, and then I'm going to put it in the sandblaster, not to take the paint off completely, but just to kind of clean it up and get everything off. So I got my pattern right here, and I'm just tracing out all these lines just to get all the birdhouse sides, or this is the front and the back. So just go ahead and run these around. So this is where I stop and I leave off, because this is a kid's project. I did all the main cutting, but the assembly is up to them. We're gonna give them all the nails, the hammers, and let them put these together. So here is all the parts right there. And I've got 3 birdhouses that are gonna be done. A blue roof, a red roof, and then a camouflage roof. And we're gonna let the kids do the artistic abilities on the actual houses, let them do all the painting on them and the assembly. Can't wait to see how they turn out. I really enjoyed doing this project with them. You know, I got to do all the woodwork and stuff, but they got to assemble everything, and it gives them a hands-on perspective of how to build something. And it was really fun just seeing them explore with the hammers and the nails. Nobody even got any fingers hurt, which was a plus. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys go out and build your own. Get out there this summer, build a birdhouse with your children, something like that. Make a fun and creative project. If you guys have other projects you would like to see built, you know, leave them in the comments section down below, or other ideas for projects to build with kids. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you guys are new, welcome. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell so you guys can get notified when I post videos. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.